Hi guys, Jessica Kubasi here. In today's video, we're shooting a film photography challenge here in Tokyo, Japan. Alright guys, so for today's challenge, we're shooting completely in film, and I have the fan favorite, Ken. You guys asked me to do another video with him, so I thought it would be really cool to do a film challenge because you shoot primarily film, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell everybody a little bit about yourself and what camera are you going to be using today?
Today,
Yeah.
I'm using Yasuka T4. Yeah, this one. Maybe this is famous one, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell us, for those who don't know you, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I don't know who I am.
They know.
They know. I think.
Ken,
They know him.
People think that they know you.
Yeah, I think. I hope so.
Ken was telling me off camera he wants to be mysterious, so I'm like, you can't be mysterious. You have to tell us a little bit about yourself. Like, what's your favorite cereal?
Cereal.
Yeah.
What is cereal?
Okay, so we're not gonna get.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Why do you choose to shoot film over digital?
Actually, I don't care about the cameras, digital or film. Just I feel I want to take film. I want to take digital. I don't like heavy camera.
Yeah.
On street photography. So
You like something more compact.
yeah,
on the
like
go.
a Leica GL.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then like this. It's so easy.
Yeah, so he can do the backward shots. You can't do that with a massive one.
All right, so for this challenge, I'm going to be using the Canon AF35M, and it's my first time using it for photo shoot. I hope I loaded the film in correctly. I guess I'm going to find out after this photo shoot when I'm back in the USA. All right, and we have our model Georgia here today joining us.
Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm half Japanese and I've been living in Tokyo for the past 2.5 years.
And you guys might recognize her from the last 4 photographers. So with that being said, we're going to start with our first location, which is going to be the metro. We're going on stairs, so let's get started.
代々木上原行きが参ります。黄色いブロックの内側でお待ちください。
Alright, so our first location is actually the Ginza line, and I really want to shoot here because it's a yellow train and it looks really cool, and this is one of the lines that doesn't have any of the gates, so we'll be able to get shots that show all of the trains. Okay, so I'm gonna have Ken go first.
No.
Yeah!
You go first.
Why me?
Okay.
Okay, Ken's gonna go first. You're the guest. I'm gonna pass it over to the guest, special guest today. So Ken is going first, and the trains are incoming, and a lot of people are gonna come out, so let's go. Wait, what happened? What did he say to you?
Don't stay here.
Okay, so he told us to leave basically.
Arriving at track 1.
He came in hot. He came in, he's like, you gotta go. Okay, so let's get on the other line and get out of here because we're not trying to cause trouble.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go. What else can we do? Yeah. Turn this way. Yeah.
次は表参道です。
I hope that turns out good. You're like out in that, you go in that room. You go in that room. You go to get a walking show. No, like on the other side. Okay, I'm not sure. Can you close it? Yeah. Is it right there? Like, I guess. Watch I really want the shot of Georgia sitting, so a seat just cleared up. Hopefully that's in focus. I think these are coming out really good. I don't know where we even are, to be honest. We went like 3 stops. Let me see, maybe like what's cool. This is fun.
It's hard that train moving, isn't it?
It is, but I like it. I don't know. It's fun. There's not too many people here, and like I'm still able to shoot. I don't know. It's great. Okay, so we're leaving. We're getting out. You stand right there, right here, right close. And look back here, right. Once the door closes, I didn't even get the train. The reason why we went to the other station is because there were no gates, you know, but we got kicked out. But this one, all of them have a gate. You get all the shots you want?
Oh, yeah.
Like how you surrounded this guy here. It's just like,
Oh, sorry. Alright, so what did the guy tell you when he kicked you out?
Yeah, he said, don't use a flashlight here.
Ken was so calm and collected. I didn't know if they were having a conversation or if he was like being yelled at, but then it turns out he was being yelled at. So we switched. We're at a new station now. We're gonna have Georgia stand here with some of the signs, and that'll be the wrap up for this location. So if you want to go ahead, so you want to shoot a couple things here?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Any particular photos or
Just that one. Yeah.
I got my 2 shots. That's it. Easy peasy. Let's go to the next location, which is, I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's not here. We gotta go back to the other side of the tracks, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see your friend. Yeah. Ken's like, hell no.
Over there.
Is your friend over there? Okay, we're gonna go
I wanna
see
say
Ken.
hi.
He wants to say hi. I thank God I took the lens cap off of this because I took one picture with the lens
次
cap
は
on
乃木
and I
坂です
didn't know until Ken told
こ
me.
の
He's
電
like, you know,
車
you
は
have your lens cap.
JR 常磐線
Alright, so we changed it to the second outfit. I really want to get Ken's reaction because he might, I don't know how he's gonna feel about it. It's kind of out there, so yeah, we're gonna bring George out. Okay, let's see what he thinks. Okay, if you don't like it,
Wow.
I thought it was cool for the
Cool.
film, right?
Yeah, so beautiful. Oh, I love it.
So we can you can put the jacket if you. Let's go. Let's go. You guys ready? What's this park? I don't know what this park is called. Anyways, we're at a park for our second location, and I really like this wig. I don't know. Maybe like halfway through, I'll have Georgia take it off. But right, I really like to shoot with different kinds of colors, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm thinking like flowers, like frilly, like pink, cute, fairy princess vibes. We don't know how Ken feels about it, but Ken's wearing all black. It's fine. But anyways, okay, let's begin before the sun goes down. So that's the goal, to finish this before all the light has gone away. So maybe like sitting right here, and then like maybe legs up.
Yeah, like kind of like
Knees up. Yeah. Look how cute this looks! Oh my god! That looks cool. Okay, I like this. Stay right there. No, get one arm right here. Get it right there. Don't move. One. Lift your chin up. One. Stay right there. Okay, that bunny right there. That bunny. I like this. Yeah. It'll still look cute.
Jess's ideas.
Jessica's ideas. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this shot. Okay, here we go. Let me do it with flash just in case, for good measure. Did flash go off? The flash didn't go off? Oh my god, why? Stay right there. Yeah, stay right there. No, bring your head up. Yeah, right there. The flash better go up. Wait. Why didn't it go off the first time?
It's okay, we got it.
Okay, and then let's do maybe like a tree. This tree right here. Yeah, that's cute. Stay right there. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Okay. And then I know I'm getting bit right now, but
me too.
it's Ken's turn now. So the light is going away, so we have to make it fast. Okay, let's go. Ryan, you're up.
I want to shoot right there. The chair. It's good for the dress, and the dress is so beautiful and cute style, and pink is more like makeup. Pink made so cute mood, you know. So I want to change a little bit cool stuff. It's not easy, but I want to try. で、真ん中に座ってこういう感じでいいかも。膝に手、足普通に下ろして。
Okay, so in the 5 minutes I was sitting, I got attacked by a swarm of mosquitoes. It's like they were a family. It was like a family outing and they all had a picnic right here. So it's really itchy, but it's fine because I got good pictures. And hopefully this goes away and it's not permanent damage to my skin, but it's okay. Not a big deal. Anyways, I'm surprised that Ken kept the wig. I really thought he was gonna make her take it off. So sometimes I'm not gonna lie, you know, Pixie Fairy, it's not really his style, but he makes it look cool. So that's his challenge today, working with my outfits. And these kids, I'm kind of jealous. Like I wish I could be that happy about being in a playground. So.
Okay. I want to change film.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. The film photography challenge, this has to be one of my favorite challenges so far. I had so much fun. I usually shoot digital and this was my first official photo shoot using film. So I'm really hoping that these develop and I get something.
Yeah.
And if not, we're just gonna have pictures from Ken and I guess that's gonna be the whole video, just your pictures. So hopefully I'll be able to rewind the film, take it out properly, and get it safely back to the United States. How did you feel about shooting at both locations? Because I know you shoot film a lot, but you've shot street style, so this is very natural for you, right?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. I like street photography, so actually it's so hard to shoot in Japan.
Why?
I don't know, but people care about you know, I don't like it, but street photography is so fun.
Is it because you're using flash on your film camera that people don't like it?
Kind of, yeah.
You don't want to bother people.
And the Japanese people is so shy.
Yeah, I noticed a difference in like the way you guys work when you have a digital and a film camera. Like I think especially for Jess, like I don't know, she's a lot more focused and she really tries to get that one shot. And
yeah, you're right.
You know,
I was thinking of the concept, like I had the vision in my head when shooting with film, whereas with digital, I'll just be like, okay, just sit there and we take 15,000 pictures. So
Yeah.
I feel like it helped me kind of think about the frame before I take it, and each shot is, you only get 36 shots, so I really thought about each one. So I'm really excited for you guys to see the pictures. We're gonna have Ken's link down below. You guys can check out his work. And I'm also gonna have George's link down below and you guys can say hello. Let us know what location and what picture you guys like best and what kind of challenge do you guys want us to see? What kind of challenge do you guys want us to do next? Leave your thoughts down below. And from Tokyo, Japan, we're gonna be saying goodbye. Bye. Thanks so much. You're so funny.